How to fill out VA Form 10182, which is titled Decision Review Request Board Appeal Notice of Disagreement. Hi, I'm Crystal Lechner. I'm an attorney at Woods & Woods, a veterans disability and compensation firm helping veterans nationwide. In order to initiate an appeal at the Board of Veterans' Appeals under the new modernization system known as AMA or Appeals Modernization Act, you must complete the Form 10182, the Board Notice of Disagreement form, or NOD. I'm going to walk through the basics of completing this form, but please call our office if you need any help. The first part of the form deals with your personal information, name, address, the basics. The second part of the form requires you to select your board review option. There are three options: direct, evidence, or hearing lane. If you have questions about which review option or which of these three is appropriate for you, you can refer to one of our other videos that discusses these lanes in further detail on our website, or give us a call. Part 3 requires you to specify the issue that you are appealing. You must identify the specific decision that you disagree with and include the date of that decision. You also must identify each issue that you disagree with. This includes the area of disagreement. For example, this could be service connection if you disagree with the rating that you received, the effective date, or any other aspect of the decision. You must be clear on the form. Once again, if you need any help, give us a call. There's also a section on this Part 3 that asks if you want to opt in from an SOC, which is a statement of case, or SSOC, a supplemental statement of case. This is referring to cases that were in the old legacy system that are wanting to be brought into the new system. If you're not sure whether or not you should opt into AMA, give us a call. This is something that needs to be looked at on a case-by-case basis, and we can help you out. Filling out these forms is a big part of what we do at Woods & Woods to help veterans. Give us a call or visit our website at woodslawyers.com. I'm Crystal Lechner. Thank you for watching.